The fishing industry in Benin Republic provides employment for about 15% of the working population, and it is also a vital industry to the country as it provides 30% of the animal protein consumed by the populace. However, the majority of the fishermen in the country still fish in the traditional way, and this is not a child's play. Is this the toughest job in Benin Republic? Let's find out.
Basically, what we are doing here is to get the nets cast into the ocean at the land so that we can see the fish caught. So it's a very long process, a very long process. I wish there is another alternative, or maybe something like a machine, just to help them make it very fast. So the process is very long. Yeah. How long does it take? How long does it take?
Now before 4 hours time.
4 hours time, and the fish will be out.
Yes.
Why they don't have something like machine to make it easy? Maybe the government bring machine.
No, they don't bring
it easy for you.
But I want to say that this way, sometimes they see they go like this.
Okay, you follow this.
Sometimes they go like this. Okay. So the machine no go sound from here to here. Okay. They come back like that.
Okay.
And you reinforce by manpower.
Manpower. Okay. Oh, now I understand.
Yes,
so by 4 hours now, the net will be outside.
But now only 2 hours. I'll be 1.5 hours.
The net will be out.
Yes, you go see the fish.
Then the fish is out.
Yes.
So guys, so 2 hours left before the fish is being out. So let's keep on walking. It's not an easy one. It's a very tough one. YouTube, internet. That's it. For real guys, I'm exhausted. These guys are really a workaholic. Damn, they are so workaholic. Like, they have been doing this thing for past 6 hours. Non-stop. They don't rest, they just drink water and continue. God, I cannot come and kill myself. Let me rest for a while, please. Let me rest. I'm gonna be here in time. Alright?
Yeah.
Good job. I saw you swimming inside.
Yes.
Every day you do like this?
No, not be every day. Nah, tomorrow, no go.
Tomorrow no go. Okay.
Next tomorrow.
Next tomorrow. Like how many times? How many times 1 week?
Tomorrow be
Friday.
Friday you know go. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So they go.
Daniel.
No, I tell you that maybe one and a half
hour. Yes. So on a big fish show. I don't tire. I don't tire. Una they try you. This work no easy. Una they try. I swear. I dey with una since morning. See the way una take the drag in there. Come on. No be small work. I come walk up una. What's in the name?
Dija.
Now poison, Abi.